How to turn on or turn off disable child process restrictions on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down to and click on Developer option. After you click on Developer option, scroll down and search disable child process restriction. From here, scroll down. You will see disable child process restriction is here. If you want to turn on disable child process restriction, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see child process restriction is turn on. If you want to turn off disable child process restriction, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see disable child process restriction is turn off. You will turn on or turn off disable child process restriction from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off disable child process restrictions on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.